Do you want to add a clickable link to Instagram story? You can put a clickable link on Insta story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a clickable link to an Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new story. Now, choose a photo or video from your gallery to upload as your story background. Once the content is added, tap on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. A new screen will appear. From here, find and select the link sticker. Again, a new screen will appear where you can enter or paste the URL you want to share. You can also add custom text for the link by tapping on Customize Sticker Text. Lastly, tap on Done to add the link. The link sticker will now appear on your story. You can resize it, change its style, and place it anywhere on your story. Once you're happy with the story, tap on your story to share it. Viewers can now tap on the link sticker to visit the website.